Hello and welcome to Candotech. In this video, I'll show you how to unprotect your Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to unprotect your Twitter app. First, we'll start by opening up your Twitter app. Once you open your Twitter app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left-hand corner where you're going to see the three bars. Make sure that you tap on those three bars on the upper left-hand corner. When you tap those three bars, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure that you look for where it says settings and privacy. As you guys can see right there on the bottom where it says settings and privacy, make sure that you tap there. When you tap there, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look for where it says privacy and safety. Make sure that you tap there, privacy and safety. When you tap there, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look for where it says protect or tweet. See how there's like a green light inside there? So make sure that there's white. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tap the white circle right there. Just tap on top. When you tap it, you're gonna turn like everything's white. So make sure everything look white. So when you tap, everything look white like that. And that's how you unprotect your Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.